देश के कोने कोने में जेम के साथ हर लघु उद्यमी का सपना अब बना है सरल, पारदर्शी और समावेशी। आइए मिलते हैं कुछ ऐसी ही कहानियों से।
Hi, I'm Bhavna Khandelwal from SRK Modular Furniture Company, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Me and my husband Deepak Khandelwal started this company in the year 2009 with the sole purpose of supplying furniture, steel and modular to the government sector. It sounds simple, but nothing about it was simple. There was insane paperwork, thousands of paper which had to be signed manually to the government departments for submission of tenders, and then that also for one single order. The story doesn't end there. Even after getting the order, there was constant follow-up for our payments. अपनी ही पेमेंट के लिए डिपार्टमेंट में हमें 10 चक्कर लगाने पड़ जाते थे. Then in 2016 came GEM. We registered and we bidded on GEM portal for a place like Mizoram. We had never thought. We just thought, let's just try it. And beauty was, first time, I really didn't have to put in so many papers. Everything got digitalized. एक बार ऐसा लगा ये पोर्टल एक्चुअल में चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि with government departments or we were so used to the old structure of the papers and everything has to be physical. But then we bid it and we got the order. That was my first order, and the order came on email also, and I got an SMS message also. First time I called my husband and told him, you check the mail. We logged in back to the GEM portal to check on is it for real, and it was for real. यहाँ तक तो ठीक है, पर उसके बाद ऐसा लगा अच्छा सप्लाईज कर दी, पेमेंट्स के लिए क्या होगा क्या नहीं हो गया, सप्लाई भी हो गई, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ने एक्सेप्ट भी कर लिया, और जो इनवॉइस था वो इनवॉइस ऑनलाइन सबमिट होना था, तो नथिंग वाज फिजिकल. तो एक बार के लिए तो ये सब ड्रीम लगने लगा था कि ये है क्या, ये एक्चुअल में है. So after that, everything changed. It changed so fast. There was no need for field staffs. Everything was done through one dashboard. We had to employ one person who was tech savvy, who would bid online. Everything, all the orders, your pending payments, pending orders, any documents that were there, all the bids were online. Everything was digitalized. GEM ने हमें सिर्फ मार्केट नहीं दिया है, हमें पेमेंट की सिक्योरिटी दी है, हमें बिड्स में ट्रांसपेरेंसी दी है और इंक्लूजन. हम किसी छोटे शहर से हैं, हम किसी गांव से हैं, हम स्मॉल मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं, हम स्टार्टअप हैं, हम कोई आर्टिसन हैं, हम वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं. All are given the same opportunity on the same platform. There is no this thing for कि बड़े मैन्युफैक्चरर या large scale units के लिए कोई different वो हो. We are all given the same opportunity. That is inclusion in GEM. GEM made the impossible possible. One platform, infinite opportunities. That's GEM, and that's my story. Now it's time for you to write yours. GEM से जुड़ें, कारोबार बढ़ाएं.
ऐसे ही लाखों उद्यमी विकसित भारत की नई पहचान गढ़ रहे हैं. जेम से जुड़ें, कारोबार बढ़ाएं.